Do you want to learn how to use a hoverboard? You came to the right place. I'm Camila and this is Aliya. Come on, let's go! The best places to learn is to ride a hoverboard on the carpet. But it's dirty. But first, let's clean it up. Let's put the shoes away. Get that out. So, because we don't want anyone to get hurt. You gotta have the right type of shoes so you don't fall or get hurt. Yeah. Oh, we have no shoes. Let's get them on. Ready, set, go. Wait a minute. Those are the wrong type of shoes. Those are sandals. Go put your tennis shoes on. Make sure we have helmets on. We don't want to hurt our heads. Helmet on. That's better, guys. We got our helmets on. Now we just need our knee pad. You want to make sure you know which one's the front and the back. Back is where the charger is and the button is. Front is where the lights are. And always get off from the back and get on from the back. A good place to start from is in between a wall because you got two places to hold on like this. And you don't have to move, but you can practice balancing. And after when you're good, you can practice moving a little. Like little, but going back. And then when you're really good, you can start going around the house. If you want to go forward, lean forward with 2 feet. If you want to go backwards, lean on your heels a little. If you want to go to the side, lean on one foot. If you want to go on the other side, lean on the other foot. Oh, and remember to get off backwards. And now you could cause an accident. So, get off backwards. You might want to hold on to something or not.
Always pay attention to your surroundings.
If you get better at it, you can do it outside. And if you get better, you can also go a little faster. But be careful, be warned that there could be a lot of stuff outside. And also be careful with these like little bumps right here. You want to do one leg first, other leg, yeah. And you're trying to get hit. And when you get better at it, you can just go through with your whole hoverboard. But you want to go slow first, and then fast.
Thanks for watching.
Make sure to subscribe and like the video.